Hello and welcome to this Unreal Engine 5 tutorial. Today I will show you how you can paint onto a landscape. First, let's create a new folder called Materials. Inside that folder we will create a new material called M_landscape. In here we want to go to the Details panel on the left and tick Use Material Attributes. Now we want to make 3 new attributes. So make material attributes. I will use 3, you can make as many as you want to use different textures. Then we want to get a landscape layer blend node. In here, on the left in the details panel, we will create 3 new layers. Let's call the first layer grass, the second one gravel, and the third one rock. Let's connect the material attributes to those layers. And then connect the output of the layer blend to the M landscape. In the textures, let's search for grass and then get the grass diffuse and normal map. Connect the RGB of the diffuse map to the base channel and the RGB of the normal map to the normal channel. Then do this for the other 2 attributes. At last we need to get landscape layer chord and hook it up to the UV channels of each of the textures. Now we are done in here and we can save the material. Next thing you want to do is select your landscape or create a new one by selecting this drop down and selecting landscape. In here you can go to manage and create a new landscape if you don't have one already. If you already have a landscape, you can just select in the right. And here you can change the landscape material to our newly created landscape material. For now, it just shows a black texture. This is because we need to add our layers. Here it did not instantly detect our layers that we created, so we can click Create Layers from Assigned Materials. It will take a second and then import our grass, gravel and rock layers. However, there is no layer information for these layers yet, so we need to select the Create Layer Info button and wait Blended Layer, normal. You can save it wherever you want. I will just save it in the default folder. Then we will also create this for the gravel and rock. And this is pretty much it. You can see it assigned our grass texture as the default. However, we can just select the gravel and start painting away. You can also select the rock layer and paint over the other texture. This is my tutorial about how you can paint onto a landscape. I hope it helped you with your project. If you need any help, let me know in the comments. And I will see you next time. Bye!